The ISIS is 10,000 daily. The Sentra is 8,000 daily. Sentra seats 7 persons. The ISIS. YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, people. This is part 2 of the Hot Wheels car show run. We and real riders. We and Talman them. Right, just so you see where the toll booth, you know, you go. After the run, we have to stop, we have to chat a little bit to make sure everybody reach up to the toll safe. Right, so I think you can hear in the audio that one of the man them did lose them wallet it fly out while them did the ride. So some of the man them did turn back and try to go look feet. But yeah, that's how I go on, right, so people. Jimbo as usual, film look issue them with film machine. Otherwise from that we're gonna hit the road. Just want everybody remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember to leave a comment on the video. Zane, BOASY BIKERS, hope you enjoy it.
Let me send you a picture of the car, alright? Okay. When the money flies up, like bird feather. Yeah, you put them on? Yeah, but somebody lost a wallet. If you pull up, somebody have a run there. That worse than the 10 grand. I don't mind money, man. I learn them yesterday. No, but that's how you pocket your riding jeans have this. Pocket for this. Everything in your front pocket. When you go so, it locks. My man probably wonder why my pants not in the room. I don't have a reason why. Tight. But me tell them, it don't make no sense to go back. You know, find them. You come back? What do you want out there? The money or the license? Florida license. Oh, you can't take a look. You can't take a look. My money alone. Me at the YouTube, Talman, I do Instagram and TikTok. Me at the YouTube, Khalil at the TikTok and Instagram. One of the Florida man them. Yeah. Right at the end of the toll. Oh! I'm sorry, I lock off the camera now. The big hill. Yeah. But I take that, man. But I tell my boot was a bloom on the ground. I'm saying, blood clot and I just up like that. The position around. No, you never did on the heel. Yeah. Position around. Heel, the right, that's all. No, right, I pedal. No part of the tire on left. You look on the tire, man. Well, you're wet now. Oh, you can still see it. Yeah, you start in the red then. Clear the rain before. Never saw it, sir. You're not supposed to go see the tire, sir. What choppy there? See if choppy have the pump. So yo, it's Anthony? Anthony Newskis? No, yeah. Oh my God. Hold on, here, this other two. I'm going to white. You not grow good, man? You not grow good? My side, I run left this man. But Anthony there? Yo, boss. Where's the new Zuki? Oh my God, I'm dead. Man, I pedal out it, pussy out it, oh fuck. I chew my machine sick, man. Oh, your machine for sick? What happened to it? Yo. I'm sure on the sick. Put on my quick shit. Yo. I'm sure on the sick. I'm sure on the sick, sir.
Yeah, YouTube, for some reason the group keep on a split up. Some of them on them gone ahead, some of them on them are locked behind. So the reason why I say we are stopped so much is because we kind of just want to roll in at the car show one time. We don't want to roll in, left nobody, and then we have to come back out of the gate, forget a man. So that is why I say we are stopped up every minute. So that's how I go and say. We're not going to show you the whole way to the car show. I'm going to skip it out a little bit because you see the rain or fall isn't really that exciting. So I kind of got to jump up towards when we enter the car show and show you what's going on inside. battery, like it's dead, like put in a dead battery. So, I'm not getting no footage from that hopefully tonight. Hopefully tonight we can replace the battery and get some stuff tonight. Wipe it off. We're in the back. You get here? You get here? So why not get here first? Where the park it tickets off, brother?
Went down there, the time we were supposed to have here.
Yeah, YouTube, so we're finally reaching at the venue. Promoter meet at the gate, sort out the passes, make sure we're good, make sure we're governed. Yeah, so we enter the place and now we're going to show what really are going inside. See, couple supercar there, a couple regular car there, a couple out of this world car. You know, we have a bad pro box, so I'm showing this from the intro where first messes up like that. So hope you enjoyed, people. Remember to leave a like, remember to subscribe to the channel, please.
Boy, YouTube, I hear copyright music, I don't think I can hear on the audio.
ready. On the
I tell you, that van here always have some nice wheels, even the old shape them. But I tell you, 20 them on this.
Alright, what's your name?
Yeah man, 20s.
Hey Leah, so talk to me about the two vehicles that you have here. Ladies and gentlemen, please feel free to walk around and look.
Yo, that cat, me like them van here. I one of the first one that I see with full panoramic roof. The old shape them.
Alright, so this vehicle that you're looking at is people. So it's a plug on the roof electric vehicle.
Bumbo clad. Yo, hey, for the steering. It's a new Nissan steering.
GTR vibe.
I know, even the Versa them and the Sentra them come with that steering, but the new shape. That beat this blood tough. It's better than we see HRV.
Press no up on the screen.
That don't have the range anxiety. You go anywhere without any limitation. Not to worry about finding.
Unknown street name.
Right? So with this vehicle, think about buying them once every month or twice a month.
And then that does sound good. Who had to buy gas to come here? Let me see your hands.
Buy gas twice every
So
month.
what the rest of
For the extra look like a hybrid.
hybrid.
Yeah.
They're passengers.
it's an
Well,
e-power.
today we have lots of passengers here, but I know I had to buy gas to come here, and this is sounding very good with the X-Trail. All right, so remind us again, the burgundy one is the 2024
Plug-free electric X-Trail.
plug-free 2024.
What do you mean by plug free?
All right, so you're going to talk to me about what is that? All right, what's your name?
Hakeem.
All right, Akeem, talk to me about this blue geek. I call it like you can't pronounce that right there, so.
Alright, so this is the 2024 Nissan Qashqai. So it's actually pronounced Qashqai.
I like the cash part. Yeah, the Kai part can go on, but the cash. All right, so that means enough money for you.
Oh, I think YouTube, that one
No,
yeah,
it's very
electric,
this vehicle is
but
actually
it charges itself.
So it doesn't have a transmission, so you don't have to worry about.
Oh
yeah, doesn't go with the transmission.
Interior-wise, it has all
Electric vehicle, you don't have to charge it.
Yeah, man, no, so you don't have to charge. Plug-free electric. So this. So what me want to
Charge itself.
all even. But
No, I can't.
Leon, I flight about it because of course we're very interested to see. All right, so it does say Nissan e-Power, and them say the engine. Yes, man, look come.
Yeah, sole purpose is.
Yeah, man, look come and look because it basically generates energy for the vehicle. So it's a plug-free electric vehicle. Very interesting. No transmission. It doesn't have a transmission.
Nah, like the Qashqai look like a hit for me still. Even though the other one electric. The Qashqai does have a vibe, even though it kinda is like a girl car still. But girl car upon 20s, can you imagine, man?
e-powers, all new technology, perfect for our market especially because you get the drive and the excitement.
This have a vibes to me still, man. I'm not telling a lie. There's some Lawrence Spring. That is it. The color code them in. Put them in a blue. Put them in a blue. And some Lawrence Springs, nothing else. And some tint.
So ladies and gentlemen, the
Bossy.
X-Trail and the Qashqai. You don't forget that line on because the Qashqai
Only because you probably once every month, once every 2 months.
So big up to Fidelity Motors.
The man
for being
said,
here with us.
you have to buy a gas once every 2 months. And you don't have to pay for charging.
No.
Charge itself.
So,
Who are you talking? Who are you asking for?
You see when rain fall, him first get wet.
Alright, we're not gonna buy. So we're the crazy ones.
Move no man youth.
Yeah, right, this one.
Oh, so crazy. So what? Oh, the real ones. Okay, so the real riders over there. Alright. So I just love the way how you guys.
Ryan, go represent for them, Ryan. Go represent for them.
different segments or different markets. But you touch one, we are closely public.
Okay, so you're from Crazy Bikers. How many members do you have? And where are you guys originally from?
Kingston, Jamaica. Crazy Bikers have been around from about 1999.
Old man.
Alright?
All the four. man.
We are a registered group, right? We've been around, we've been enjoying, but you know, different groups pop up and we still love same way, and we're all one family.
Alright, I love that, love that. Ladies and gentlemen, we got for the real, the bossy, and the crazy one them in a place.
Hold on, where you going?
Give them some, uncle.
A 2,000.
Yes,
please.
Alright, so talk to us about BOASY WAY. How many of you are here today? Because I don't want to be on the corner. I don't want to be able to.
No, man. Them shot.
Them so short you can't see them.
Them too short.
Them short you can't see them.
For me, them you.
So, what I know about me short, you know, when I make me have to stretch up to do the interview, like.
Talk to a shot.
No, let me tell the talk about the talk, alright. So, tell us a little bit about BOASY BIKERS. Yes, BOASY
Bikers have the name today. Boasy. You know, we just have to keep it humble. When you see us on the road, you know, say, oh, you see it's an organized team, you see it's a family, you see it's a unit. But that BOASY BIKERS, a family name, a corporate name, where they know that when they hear BOASY BIKERS, they know say we're represented for clean and safe riding.
Yes.
A family riding.
Love that.
That is it.
Love the safe aspect of it. Really love that. So let me tell you BOASY as a trio.
Rev up the bike, brother.
Riders and the crazy bikers. Alright. So big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for coming. Want to enter the categories?
Yes.
The bike. Alright, great. So ladies and gentlemen, please remember
Really?
At least have a competition.
you can be taken.
I want to say it shouldn't be two BOASY BIKERS, but I just two.
Alright, $2,000 per category. So DJ, gonna take.
Well, I'm going to call her.